What's up, Diskarte fam? Welcome back to another episode of Diskarte with Mendy. And in this episode, I will be giving you several ideas for businesses na pwede nyo umpisahan with a small capital, 10,000 to 30,000. So habang nare-research ko itong episode na to, na-realize ko, teka lang, parang may trend ako nakikita ngayon ah. At ang trend na yun ay sobrang daming trend ngayon. Ang daming opportunities. There's so many ways that you can invest your money and build a business. So ang ginawa ko na lang, dinivide ko siya into 3. Parang merong 3 main categories. Tapos under that, magbibigay ako ng iba-ibang business in the same nature. And also, while I was doing research on this episode, ang iniisip ko talaga, I need to find businesses that I could make money out of kahit natutulog ako. Post it on Lazada, who by the way happens to be the sponsor of this episode. Leave it there, not think about it, wait for the orders to come through, fulfill the orders, and go on with your life. Tapos sa dulo nito, meron akong ibibigay na business idea na wala dun sa category na yun, pero tingin ko, sobrang ganda niya. And na-research ko to, feeling ko talaga viable, possible, at kayang-kayang kumita ng pera dito. So make sure to watch till the end para makita mo yun. Baka pwede ka na rin mag-subscribe dahil baka naman pwedeng mag-subscribe, no? Okay, so business idea number 1 is reselling or repackaging. Meron dalawang ideas para sa negosyo na to. The first idea is kind of the business that I built on one of my most recent videos. Panoorin nyo if you haven't yet. Ang basically ginawa ko dito is kumuha ako ng iba-ibang items at pinagsama-sama ko siya sa iisang box, which raised its value. Ngayon kung isipin mo parang, magko-collect lang ako or mag-repackage lang ako ng mga bagay, paano ko kikita dun? Siyempre, ang unang paraan is bumili ka ng madaming stocks. Ngayon isipin mo, grabe mag-i-invest ako, bibili ako ng maraming stocks, paano kung hindi ko mabenta? Ang maganda dito sa idea na to, sa gift boxes or collection boxes or repackage box, is pwede mo siyang i-pre-sell. Basically, yung ginawa ko sa previous video, again, panoorin nyo if you haven't, but ang ginawa ko, gumawa ko ng isang box, pinicturean ko, pinakita ko sa mga tao kung ano yung pwede nilang makuha sa box na yon, and then hinintay ko na silang umorder. Pero nagbigay ako ng deadline syempre. So, by the deadline, yun na yung order list ko. Malalaman ko na kung how much yung pwede ko i-negotiate sa supplier ko. Pag sinabi ko sa supplier ko na, uy, meron akong 1,000 na bibilin, bigyan mo akong discount. 1,000 yun, di ba? So, dun pa lang may leverage ka na, and then meron ka ulit pricing leverage on the fact na collection siya, box collection siya. Meron kang sinusunod na season, pwedeng sinusunod na corporate request, pwedeng specific lifestyle, specific country for unique snacks, for unique food, for subscriptions. It's something people pay a lot for because number 1, they would not have the time to do that collecting themselves. Number 2 is may chance na ang perceived value nila dun sa box na yon ay mas mataas kasi inisip nila, uy grabe, lahat to for this price, sakto lang, parang bumili lang ako ng normal. But hindi ko na kinailangan lumabas at bilhin pa to, wala na akong iisipin na oras, ready-made na. And yung idea number 2 under this category is basically the same, pero hindi kasing intense. Repackaging big batch or big serving items into smaller, more affordable batches. Ang pinakamagandang example dito is repackaging almonds. So, ang mangyayari kasi, pag bumili ka sa SNR, sobrang laki ng box na yun, mahal. Minsan nagsasale sila, pero ang idea dito kasi is, syempre, minsan yung mga tao, hindi naman nila gusto ng sobrang daming almonds or hindi naman nila gustong sobrang daming chocolate. Minsan gusto nila konti lang, ayaw naman nila bumili ng sobrang laking serving. So, ang gagawin mo, i-divide mo yung batch into smaller batches, pero magma-markup ka pa rin sa presyo. Which is why I think this makes a lot of sense. Hindi lang sa pagkain ginagamit to, actually sa dog food, sa nakita ko quinoa, flax seeds, herbs and spices, kahit literally ng mga seeds nire-repackage na ngayon. Sobrang dami. It is just a matter of you trying to find the best supplier, having a good or great relationship with them, and then leveraging off of pricing. Category number 2 is unique or new types of food or supersized servings of food. The first way is obviously kung meron kang sobrang makabagong pagkain na pwedeng i-introduce sa mga tao. And the perfect example is milk tea. Dati wala naman talaga yung milk tea, di ba? Another perfect example is sushi bake. Dati wala naman talagang sushi bake. I never knew about it at least. And then slowly madami nang gumagawa ng sushi bake. There are a lot of opportunities ngayon sa pagkain kasi ang daming bagong pagkain ngayon na naiimbento kung saang lugar. Or ang dami pang pagkain na meron sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa na wala pa dito. Actually, may mga nakita kong examples na parang grabe, parang gusto kong gawin to. Quesadilla, Detroit-style pizza. I think meron na nito actually. Merong carbonated fruit soda water na alcoholic. Meron mga sandos, which are Japanese sandwiches. Take-at-home seafood boils. Ang dami pang pwedeng ideas yan. Syempre, medyo risky siya, but really, if you are passionate about food, and if you think that you have the tenacity that is required for an entrepreneur to keep on pushing, keep on marketing para mabenta yung produkto nila, why not? And the second way to stand out, which I personally want, actually ginawa ko rin to on one of my episodes, check this out, ginawa ko, in-oversize ko or sinuper-size ko yung serving. If you can, find a way to be able to make it look as though it is supersized. Madaming paraan dyan. Other companies or other businesses are doing this already. Pero hindi pa ganun kalaganap ang mga supersized. But I think tinry na yung burgers. Medyo hindi gumana. You know why? Kasi hindi masarap. Ganun kasimple. Siguro for this entire category, which is yung unique na pagkain tsaka oversized na pagkain or supersized na pagkain, medyo slow grind siya, but that's what you want in a business, diba? If it means you doing this business for 5 years to 10 years, yun talaga. That is what it takes for successful food businesses to really, really make money out of what they're doing. At kung hindi mo matanggap na ganun katagal, well, mag-influencer ka na lang. Category number 3 is my favorite, and that is the customizing business. Hanggang ngayon, paniwalang-paniwala pa rin ako na nandito talaga yung pera. Na nothing beats personalized items. As a consumer, being able to purchase something that was specifically made for you really ups the value in that item. Customizing means you can create something, combine 2 to 3 things together, and double or triple their value. Diskarte. Under sa category nito, meron dalawang types of businesses. Merong B2B and merong B2C, meaning business to business or business to consumer. You can go any route. Syempre, pag B2B, mas consistent yung trabaho, mas seryoso, mas professional. B2B is customized shirts, customized printing, customized fabrication, customized corporate giveaways. Actually, meron akong client mismo na ganito yung business model. Marshall's Craft, tsaka Quality Makers. Check them out kung gusto nyo magpagawa ng t-shirt or kung gusto nyo magpa-fabricate ng corporate giveaways or mga, I think, statues kaya nila. Actually, isa pang B2B is print on demand. Pwedeng ikaw yung maging supplier ng mga taong gustong gumawa ng sarili nilang clothing line na hindi pa masyadong afford na pumunta ng factory para pagawa yung apparel nila. Meron akong isa pang friend na gumawa rin ng negosyo nito, as in mananahi sila. And kahit small batches, sila ang gumagawa for people that want to begin building their own fashion line or apparel line. I think that's a very, very good business that you can start for at least 30,000 pesos. Kaya na yon. If kaya mo pandagdagan just for the machines, why not? But I think napakagandang idea nun under the B2B subcategory. Sa B2C naman, ang dami. This is arts and crafts, guys. If you know how to build, hindi kailangan artsy ka. If you can research kung ano yung mga trending on TikTok or trending. Actually, ito yung mga nakita ko sa TikTok na trending. Ang lupit. Customized lamps, customized artwork, customized pillows and blankets which have existed for the longest time. Customized bags. Ito, sobrang lupit nito, guys. Ang dami magaganda. And the best thing about this is, pwede mo silang ibenta online. Ito yung sinasabi nila na kumikita ka kahit habang natutulog. Literally, pwede kang magbenta ng ganitong types of items around the clock, 24 hours.
Randy, paano yun?
You can do that through Lazada. Lazada is making it easier for you to become an entrepreneur fast and achieve business growth by just the push of a button through Lazada's Seller Center app. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kadali. Pupunta ka lang sa website nila, link in the description down below, choose the type of ownership and fill up your store name and password, and then just do a couple of declarations, and after that, you are ready to go. You can upload your first couple of products and begin your entrepreneurial journey. Or if you already are an entrepreneur, now you have the chance to bring your business online and get even more sales. Sign up now through my link in the description below or through this QR and take the first step by achieving business growth through just the push of a button. And so now we arrive at the business na kanina ko pa paulit-ulit pinagmamayabang, and that is the shoes business. And no, this is not about you reselling Nike shoes. What I mean about the shoe business is you actually being the designer of shoes. You being your personal brand, being the actual shoe brand. Paano yun? Aminin nyo, wala pa kayo masyadong naririnig na shoe business or person that owns an actual shoe brand that they market as a fashion brand or they market under their apparel line. And the reason kung bakit ako excited dito is meron ako nadaanan na business with a Facebook page na sabi nila doon, nag-offer sila mag-produce ng 10 pairs ng design mo. And they will design this with you. I-assist ka nila through the process, material, and actual design. 10 pairs for just 1,800 pesos. Imagine mo sa 10 pairs, 180 pesos per pair, which you can immediately sell for a profit. 250, 300, 350, depende sa marketing mo, depende sa collection mo. At ang magic doon is hindi ikaw magpo-produce. Ipapagawa mo lang sila, nakatulong ka na sa local businesses, nakatulong ka na i-represent ng Pilipinas dahil Marikina shoemakers ang mga nagmamanufacture ng shoes. I think it is a win-win for everyone. With the right marketing, pwede kang mag-umpisa ng sarili mong Celine, hindi ko alam kung saan kayo, ano pa ba may mga ibang shoe brands na mga babae, hindi ko alam, but You get what I mean. So here's a rundown of all the business ideas na binigay ko ngayon. I-post mo yung video, get ideas, at gawin mo na. So guys, that is the list. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo. Hopefully you got ideas. That is why I'm doing what I'm doing. If you haven't yet, please click subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you can. And as I say on the end of every episode, stay healthy, stay humble, and appreciate the small things. My name is Mendy, and this has been Diskarte with Mendy.
To right wrongs, I carry a light load. I travel the right roads. I see how the dice